Alright guys, so this is Mike again. So welcome for the second part of the video we started. For those of you who just arrived, so this is a little project we're making. So as you can see on the right, so we've made in the first part of the video we made a little maze. So this maze is made with Scratch, so you can see the whole interface here. So if you don't know how to access this interface, you need to go to Google and type Scratch MIT, so you arrive there. So you can also take a look at the first video I've made. I put a link for you in the description as well, so that will can be really helpful for you to, if you want to follow with us today. Alright then, so the first thing we try to do, we try to code the mouse, so the mouse can move around and arrive at the muffin. That's the first thing we try to do. Alright, so to get started, so we need to have the mouse to move with all the different keys, like up key, left key, down key, and all those keys. So we need to select the mouse first, and from there, so we have those two flags here, and the green flag and the stop. So when usually a game start with an event, first an event. So okay, all right, when I click on this, so when something happened, I want the game to start. Here we go to heaven. I want the game to start when I click on the red flag. So I'm gonna do. All right, so there is something else I want. When I click on this, I want the green flag. I want the mouse to go at this position. So we got the X and Y coordinates here. I want the mouse to go there when I click on the green flag. That's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna click on motion and click on go to. Alright, let me show you an example. Alright, let me click on that. There we go. Click here. Do the last try. There we go. Alright then. So now I want the game to check all my different moves all the time. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna have an if statement. So if I click on the up arrow, I want it to go up. Or if I click on right, I want it to go right. So let's go to sensing. So if let me see, if the key is pressed, so I want it to go right. Alright, so let's see, click on right arrow, I want it to go right. So we go back here, I want it to move 10 steps. Alright, can do that. Let's give it a try. Alright, click on F, and it doesn't seem to move. Alright, why isn't it moving? Because it's going from the top to the bottom. I'll show you. It's going from the top to the bottom. It does work, you see, but it's checking this condition only once. So for it to work, we need to put forever loop, so you're gonna check on it all the time. Alright, so let's get it here, take a forever, and let's give it another try and see what's going on. Alright, so now let me click on the right arrow. You see it's moving. Alright, so I have it to move, but it's moving only on one way. So I may need to add another layer. And we need to add it for the left arrow. Alright then. So let me give it another try. Let me stop it. Let me give it another try. Alright, up. Let me click on the left now. So it's still going on on the right when I click on the left. Alright, let's give it another try. Right, put it in a minus. A minus. Let me stop that. Let's give it another try. The right key. Uh-oh, I have a little mistake here. Let me stop that. Let me try one more time. Alright. If I click on the right arrow, it goes right. On left, it goes left. But yeah, it kind of does not. It goes backward. So since it goes backward, I may need to change something. Alright. So for this, we need to click on motion, and we need to have it pointing into the direction we want. Alright, so in this case, it's gonna be I'll show you when I click on that. I want it to that direction. Alright, let's give it a try. Stop it. Let's give it a try. Right, left. Oh, it's good your way, because I think I forgot this minus here. So that's one thing we need to change. Alright then, let me click on that. Stop. Click on let's go. Alright. We must need to put the direction here. Let me stop it. Alright. There we go. Point in direction 90. Alright. Alright. Well, while going, we're trying to fix out everything. Alright, that's the one thing. Okay, now let me click on the right arrow, left arrow. Alright. Let me click back on it. Okay. So I may also need, let me click on, I may also need to do it for the right arrow. Pointing direction. Alright. Alright, pointing direction, so it already goes on the right. It's gonna minus 90. Let's give it a good try. There we go. Here we see we have a little shift. It doesn't stay really on the same line. So for that we may need to go to the costume here. So let's make sure we have the right character, the mouse here. And you see here we have a little cross here. So let's try to put the mouse in the middle of it. We do it this way. Try to put the mouse in the middle of it. Good job, Mike. Alright. Let's give it another try. Alright then. Stop it. Put it back. Alright. Left. Alright. Left. Alright. You see it's moving. Alright. So now we need to do it also for the up and down. Let me stop it first. Up. Duplicate. Put that here. Duplicate. Let me put it just right here. Alright. Now I need to do it for up and down. Alright, for up, I need to do it this way. Move 10 steps, and for down, I need to do it this way. Alright then, let's give it a good try. Alright, so the mouse is going to start here. Click on left, right, up, down, left, right, up. Alright, see the mouse is moving here. There we go. So that was the part 4 to move our mouse around And next time we're going to code the muffin. So when we arrive on the muffin, you're gonna say, okay, you run and kind of to start the game again. And we're gonna also add some more difficulties to it. So when if the mouse touches the maze, so okay, we need to go back to the where we get started. So that's one to do it also. So it's something that can be done. Alright, that's the end for today. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, leave some comments, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with people who you think may enjoy it, especially people who have kids. Alright, thanks very much. See you for another video.